Struggling to sync Salesforce with external systems? Learn how to mark a field as external ID in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through 15 simple clicks to set up an external ID. Let's start with the Setup menu. First, click on the Quick Settings icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. Now, click on Object Manager to see all your objects. In this example, we'll choose Account as the object. From the left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. Then click the New button to create a new field. For the type, choose Email and click Next. Scroll down and click Next again to proceed. Click the Field Label box and type a name for your field. We'll use Trial as an example. Now click on the Field Name box. It will autofill based on the label. Make sure to check the External ID checkbox. This is the key setting we're after. Scroll down and click Next to continue. Click Next again to confirm the field settings. Finally, click Save to create the field. That's it. You've marked a field as an external ID. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.